Do you think this customer, welcome back, do you think this customer did any of his own work to this car? No fucking way, right? No way.
Maybe at absolute most the spacers.
He put wheel spacers on and wheels? I fucking doubt it.
Maybe.
Because then he paid for...
This is painted.
No, what is that coating you were talking?
PPF.
PPF, right? Then he had vinyl stripe done?
Yep.
So we're gonna say the customer didn't do this. The customer sure as shit didn't bolt on a direct fit exhaust system. But, look what happened.
Yep.
Because it's bolted on, it's installed improperly, the heat from here melted the bumper cover, right? Now this is probably, go look up this exhaust system. What's it say on that muffler? Gotta be $1,500 stainless steel exhaust. So there's no way a customer installed this.
Oh, it's a boiler.
So boiler's not cheap. So it's obviously made wrong, which doesn't fucking shock me, right? Because if the tips were over here more,
If they were more central, it'd be fine.
so it's possible that it was installed wrong. You can see that this clamp is too close. It's possible that this is not in far enough. But if that was the case, that takes this hanger out of geometry. So I would bet you some other shop installed this shit and it has now melted the bumper cover. Now, if this was at my shop, yes, my shop, right? You don't sure as fuck this guy would be back here crying and screaming at me and trying to get me to buy him a new bumper cover.
And all it needs is a little more of a bend. And it would be perfect.
Well, yeah, either a little bit more of a tweak to the install, which shouldn't have to be, but both sides. Because if, like I said, if you push this in further, then your hangers come out of its geometry, and this will be under the bumper cover, right? Because that's on a flange up there, so you can't really screw that section up. And if you slide the X pipe back any further, you're gonna come in contact with the rear subframe and the midsections. So I'm gonna say, what could this installer do if he wasn't in an exhaust shop? All he could do is put it on and say, this is the shit that we got.
Yeah.
Yep, but if it was in my shop and we installed this, they'd be suing me over this shit.
I can't imagine that.
And look, the tip here is out.
And this is out too.
Well, this is more under.
Yeah.
You see here? Like there's, you can see the whole, you can see the tip, right? I'm gonna do it this view. You can see that. And then you can barely see the tip here.
Yeah.
People would be up and down me over that. What's your thoughts, peoples? Thanks for watching.